Of the two nations whose histories constitute the Book of Mormon, the first, in order of time, consisted of the people of Jared, who followed their leader from the Tower of Babel at the time of the confusion of tongues. Their history was written on 24 plates of gold by Ether, the last of their prophets, who, foreseeing the destruction of his people because of their wickedness, hid away the historical plates. They were afterward found 123 years before Christ by an expedition sent out by King Lemhi, a Nephite ruler. The record engraved on these plates was subsequently abridged by Moroni, and the condensed account was attached by him to the Book of Mormon record. It appears in the modern translation under the name of the Book of Ether. The first and chief prophet of the Jaredites is not mentioned by name in the record as we have it. He is known only as the brother of Jared. Of the people, we learn that, amid the confusion of Babel, Jared and his brother importuned the Lord that he would spare them and their associates from the impending disruption. Their prayer was heard, and the Lord led them with a considerable company who, like themselves, were free from the taint of idolatry, away from their homes, promising to conduct them to a land choice above all other lands. Their course of travel is not given with exactness. We learn only that they reached the ocean, and there constructed 8 vessels, called barges, in which they set out upon the waters. These vessels were small and dark within, but the Lord made luminous certain stones, which gave light to the imprisoned voyagers. After a passage of 344 days, the colony landed on the western shore of North America, probably at a place south of the Gulf of California and north of the Isthmus Panama. Here they became a flourishing nation, but giving way in time to internal dissensions, they divided into factions which warred with one another until the people were totally destroyed. This destruction, which occurred near the hill Ramah, afterward known among the Nephites as Cumorah, probably took place about the time of Lehi's landing in South America, 590 years before Christ. The author, Articles of Faith.